You open LinkedIn, you click on someone's profile and suddenly you see this upgrade to premium to see who viewed your profile. $29.99 a month, almost $300 a year. And you think, do I really need this? Here's the truth. You can use LinkedIn Premium for free, legitimate, safe and without risking your account. No hacks, no shortcuts, no shady tricks. I am Shruti. Let me show you exactly how to get LinkedIn Premium for free and how to use it smartly. First, understand this clearly. LinkedIn wants you on Premium. Why? Because Premium users spends more time on the platform, apply to more jobs, send more emails, use advanced search and sale navigator data. So, LinkedIn strategy is simple. Let you try it, get you dependent on it, then convert you later. That's why LinkedIn itself offers multiple official approved ways to access Premium for free. No policy violation needed. This is the most common and safest method. Method number 1. LinkedIn Premium free trial. LinkedIn offers 1 month free trial for premium career. 1 month free trial for premium businesses, sometimes 30 to 60 days for sales navigator. How to activate it now? Click try premium for free. Add a payment method, start the trial. Now the important rule. Set a reminder to cancel 2 to 3 days before the renewal. If you cancel on time, you keep premium until the last day. You pay $0. No penalty, no account risk. This alone works for most users worldwide. Now here's what most people don't know. Method 2. Partner email and LinkedIn employee offers. LinkedIn frequently gives 2-month trials, 3-month trials, sales navigator trials. These comes through official LinkedIn email campaigns, corporate or startup partnerships, recruiter or hiring programs. And yes, some LinkedIn employees can also share premium trial links as a part of promotion, events or internal outreach campaigns. If you ever see an email saying enjoy LinkedIn Premium or nuts, that's not a spam, that's not intentional. Rule to remember, only activate premium from emails or links sent directly by LinkedIn, never from a third-party website. Now, coming to our method 3, student and corporate access. If you are a student, many universities offer free or discounted premium, especially during placements or job search season. If you are working in a company, some organizations provide premium or sales navigator, common in sales, recruitment and leadership roles. Always check HR benefits, learning and development tools, sales enablement tools. Now, an important one most people misses, the method 4. Military and veteran programs. LinkedIn run official programs where active military members, veterans, transforming service personnel can get LinkedIn Premium Career for free, sometimes for extended periods to support job transitions. This is 100% official and provided directly by LinkedIn. Now, listen very carefully. Never buy cheap LinkedIn Premium online. Purchase from Telegram or WhatsApp sellers. Share premium accounts. Use cracked apps, extensions or modified browsers. These lead to permanent account restriction, loss of personal history, device level flags. LinkedIn tracks payment behavior, your devices, the usage pattern. Saving a few dollars is not worth losing your LinkedIn identity. LinkedIn Premium isn't magic, but when used correctly, it can accelerate your job search, hiring or lead generation. At Connectly, we also run premium giveaways, help member access tools smartly, share LinkedIn growth strategies that don't risk your account. If you want to stay updated on giveaways and learn how to use LinkedIn the right way, join the Connectly community group, link in the description. I am Shruti and this was Connectly Insight.